Kadai poma, kadai poma, kadai poma.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Limitless BWL. Today I have another Indian get ready with me for you guys. Before we get straight into the video, I just want to talk about this little thing on my lip right here. It's just from my extremely dry lips. It peeled and it's scarred. I never even noticed it till like I started filming today, by the way. I have lots of new things I can't wait to play with, like the Tatcha Liquid Silk canvas. We have some new NARS palettes I'm excited for, and the new Fenty liner. So we have a few new things which I can't wait to test out for the first time. That being said, my beautiful jewelry in today's video is from Jody Box. I really love their pieces, so make sure to check them out. I'll show you guys the rest of it once I'm done my look. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so I just primed my eyes with the P. Louise primer. You guys know I love the stuff. I always prime my eyes with that. And now let's go ahead and do our eyes. I'm gonna go for this like really like orange burnt coppery look. I used to do this all the time before and I haven't done it in a long time, so that's what we're gonna do today. The first palette I'm gonna go in with today is the jamescharles like Morphe palette. I just love it because there's just so many different colors I can use for it. We're gonna be playing with these orange shades right here. So I'm gonna go in with this orange right here to start off. We're just literally gonna dab that right in with a dense blending brush right into our crease and bringing it up a little bit as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this shade right here, which is like a little bit of a lighter kind of brownish orange, just to blend that out. And this is just a little bit more of a fluffy blending brush. As you can see, I'm just going really lightly right above the orange we just applied. I feel like that kind of took away from the orange, so I'm actually going in with that red that was like right under the orange and just putting that right into the crease, because on my skin tone that's going to look quite orange. Just in the outer third, because I just want to build it up a little bit to give some definition. Now I'm going to take my MAC Painterly paint pot in the shade Laying Low, and I'm just going to cut the crease out just a little bit. It's not going to be too precise. Like, I'm not going to like make it like a half cut crease or anything. I'm just going to leave a little bit here to just put some shadow on. But yeah, let's go ahead. The reason I'm doing this is just so the color like really shows when I put it on my lid. I'm going to go in with this new palette from NARS. It's called the Afterglow Palette. Super beautiful, not only the packaging, but also inside it's really beautiful. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in with this orange shade right here. It doesn't look as like bam as it does straight up. It's like a really nice like goldish orange shade. Just gonna wet this with the the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix, just to really intensify the shade, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply it. Just going back in with that orange and just lightly putting it in the outer third. That's about it for the eyes. Now we'll go back to it later. I'm going to go ahead and use the new Tatcha Liquid Silk canvas. You guys know I love the first one, so I'm so excited to try this. As this video progresses, my nails are going to get dirtier, guys, because I use my fingers a lot and everything just goes in, and you know, I don't have fake nails because of everything going on right now. So I just put about 2 pumps. I don't know if that's going to be too much, but I'm just going to focus it on the areas I normally would with the other silk canvas. And then I'm just going to rub it in. Feels like I might have put a little too much. I definitely feel like that already minimized my pores a tad bit. You guys can probably tell the difference as well. And I also noticed this doesn't have too much of a gray cast that the other one does. So far I'm really liking it. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly color correct. You guys have seen me do this so many times, and I will be right back. So I just quickly went and color corrected with the MAC Pro Concealer and Correct palette. Unfortunately, these are discontinued in Canada, so there's that. But I have so many backups. That's why I don't really like showing it when I use it, because if you're from Canada, you can no longer get it. And I am going to go in with one of my favorite foundations right now, which is the Urban Decay Stay Naked Foundation. I've used this several times on Instagram tutorials, but I don't think I've ever actually used it here. So yeah, in case you guys don't know or don't follow me on Instagram, I absolutely love this foundation so much. So let's go ahead with this. I absolutely love this foundation because it really just makes my skin look like skin. Now I'm gonna go in with the Stay Naked powder. I've never used this one though, so this is like the first time I'm using this. This is in 70W0. I'll have all the shades down below in case I forgot to mention anything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dab it right onto the skin. Okay, so straight off the bat, I absolutely love the powder. Look at the difference between how much smoother it makes my skin look with the powder versus without. I love it. Okay guys, since we're using so many of the Stay Naked products, by the way, this video is not sponsored by Urban Decay. I just love these products. So yeah, I'm going to be going with the Stay Naked concealer now. We're just going to go ahead and apply this on the tip of our nose, down our face, so the nose, the cupid's bow, chin, and then of course under our eye. Now that we did that, I'm going to quickly go ahead and just bake my under eyes with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder. You guys have also seen me do this a million times, so I'm just going to quickly skip through it. I wish I had a different contour powder / bronzing powder to show you guys, but I don't, because this is my fave. I really can't talk today. The Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami. So this is a bronzer, but I just like using it as a contour too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and chisel face and chisel my face. You guys know the drill with this, but I haven't shown you guys this a lot, so that's why I'm gonna go through it properly. I'm like skipping the last two parts. If you guys like me just kind of getting to the point and not showing you every single step, please let me know. And if you would rather me show you every single step, even if I've already shown it several times, and you like would prefer for me to show it in every video, please let me know that as well. Now I'm going to go in with blush, and we're going to be using Taj Mahal from NARS, just to go with the whole orangey look. This has a little bit of a glow to it as well, so just be mindful when you apply it. This is the NARS Overlust highlighting palette, so we're going to go in with that for highlight. So we have some beautiful shades right here, and I'm just going to go in with the deepest one right there. It really matches the glow from the blush, it looks like. So since we already have so much glow happening from the blush, I'm not going to put too much. I say that, but I always end up putting a lot. Now back to the eyes. I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty new eyeliners. This is the brown shade. I can't see the name of it, but I'll list it down below for you guys. And I'm just going to kind of just lightly line the top of the lid with this, just to help conceal our lashes. And also because I don't want to use black for this look, I just want everything to look very like coppery, bronzy, gold, like in the warm tones. So yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm also going to tight line the eye with this as well. Okay guys, so first impressions on the eyeliner. I don't know how I feel about that color specifically. It looks pretty dark on my eyes. It doesn't look too brown, and for some reason it's more brown in my actual waterline than like when I put it outside. So that was a little bit odd, but it could just be that color. I'll test out more colors in the future. But yeah, I'm just gonna go in with a brown from the jamescharles palette again and just really smoke the bottom out. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and quickly put some lashes on. If they look a little bit wonky, please excuse it, because they are like so used and abused. These are the Tia Buva lashes in Lavish. They're my absolute favorite right now, and I've been using it so many times. It's like gonna rip at any point. So yeah, there's that. Let's move on to the lip. So I want to do kind of like a mauve tone pinky lip for this look, because I think it would look really good with all the oranges going on. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my MAC lip liner in Chestnut to line the lips. And then we're going in with a MAC Retro Matte Lip in the shade Topped with Brandy. Now this is not a necessary step, but I'm going to go ahead with Starfish from ABH just to put right in the middle, because I like that pouty look. Okay guys, so here is the final makeup look. I am obsessed with how it turned out. I look so glowy and like bronzy. So that being said, I'm going to go ahead and just put on the rest of my jewelry and outfit, and I'll be right back. So here is the final look. I absolutely love how it turned out. Super glowy, super bronzy and warm. If you guys like this video, make sure to click that thumbs up button and maybe even subscribe, because it would mean so much to me. That being said, I will see you guys in my next video. And before anyone asks, this is just a sari that I literally just threw on my shoulder. I'm not wearing it properly. That's why I can't show it to you guys. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.